guys, today I'm going to be doing another video of Roblox, and and I'm going to be playing Train versus Cars. There's an update. Yeah, the update is, I'll show you in a second once I get a bus. Once I get a bus, guys. No. That's stupid. Oh God, so hard. God, what is he doing? Person. Roblox, help me. Help these people in Roblox. Come on, go. God, just jump out, kid. His name, I thought legal. This is me. This is impossible to drive. Back then, when I made this other video, it sucked. I mean, it was good. And it sucked. It was great. Okay, update is new trains. I don't like these new trains. They suck. They're slow. And they're weird. They don't do any damage. How? How did this break? Oh my gosh. That was a fat head. Still have my Shrek thing on, so I should really change it. Oh yeah, let's check a blue car. Let's see what's happening. These are hard to drive. I forgot how to drive these things. So touchy. Hey! Train! What? What? What just happened? Stupid. Okay, go. Gosh, guys, come on. Come on, buddy. Cookie. Yeah, I'm just driving a truck. Can I drive a truck, somebody? Hit it. It didn't do any damage. So if I'm saying I drive this, don't kill me. Wow. That's dumb. Stupid update. I don't know why I'm making a video about it. And where'd all the water go? All the water's gone. I missed the water. No! There's no other seats on this truck. I have to get into one to reset. Oh my gosh. Come on, bus. No. Stupid bus. My gosh. Go! Wait, no, this won't work out. Why did I say go? It's broken. Stupid. Okay, so wait, this is the edge of the map. This is a lame game. Oh no. God, come on! What car? Or what car have I not driven in forever? Like, bus. No, there's a bus. Oh my God, two-headed truck. Huh. Wait, what's this one? Is this what? Oh, it's the fire truck. Okay, then what's this one? Wait. Oh, did they delete one? Oh, no, they didn't. Oh, it's all... I wish there's more cars. Yeah. It sucks having this many. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's go. I think this track is different. Yeah, it has to be different. Got knocked over. Oh my god. We got both. One. This train's supposed to be that way fast and blue. The blue front, not that. And then this is right, but it's supposed to be red and with more cards on it. Okay, there goes that. Well, I get why not many people are playing like last time. Because this game sucks now. Oh, I miss the other one. My lips are so dry, it's like bleeding everywhere. Oh, look at that yellow. Ew. Bleeding lips. It looks so weird. Woo! The reason why we picked this monkey face is because, you get it, guys? Like, Monkily laugh. He's like laughing. Alright? Right, guys? Right? Hey! That's my car now. Pull over. Can I get it back? I mean, I can. Ooh, I'm gonna knock you over. I'm done. Reset. Wait, I didn't even mean to do that. Sorry, bro. I didn't mean to do that. I know it was on your car. Bro, I'm so sorry. Like, really sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Oh god. Don't tell me. Whatever. Not reset. Okay. Oh my god. Whoa. What's happening over there? Stop jumping. Oh, he listened. You're kidding me, noob. Ugly noob. Yay. Wait, don't you reset. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Let's do 3. Bro, you guys, stop. Guys, just take a turn. I'm next. I'm not next, buddy. Go. Get out of the vehicle if you don't know how to drive. Okay? It's not my fault. Get out. Okay, thank God. No, it broke. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that. Just don't know why. What was the noise? Guys, I'm literally in the dark right now. Yeah. Just knock over this. It can't. I've been trying all this time. I can't even knock over. Wait, do this one. Oh, come on, someone please press respawn. Oh my god. Press respawn, somebody, please. Oh, thank you. Oh, gosh. Oh, I'm dead. Alright, bye, lady. Fun dying. Okay, let's watch it. Oh, come on. Wait, is it night? I think it just got night. No, stupid. Whatever. Alright, guys. Well, yeah, I'm going to end the video there because this game sucks. I'm going to make it early. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that subscribe button and like the video down below. Yeah, like the video down below. And yeah, bye, guys. wreck.